Crikey. I'm currently at the Adachi-ku Fireworks Festival. Just hanging out with some handsome gentlemen here. Julian.
Call me an Ikeman.
Ikeman. Ikeman.
Hello.
Oh, very cute camera. Very cute camera.
Oh, stop.
Shout out to Richardo.
In his small size. Yes.
Wow, dude. European guy always has to flex his height, how big he is. We get it, bro. You're tall, man.
We get it. You have good health.
We get it. You have good health care, bro. We're here in Adachi-ku at the fireworks festival. My first firework festival in Japan. I think everyone else's first fireworks festival.
What the fuck with all the people, dude?
Hella people out here. If you guys don't know anything about Adachi-ku, it's kind of seen as like the ghetto or like the maybe like poorer area of Tokyo, but maybe we're gonna get into some shit, get some sketchy shit going. Little boys night out here. These guys are all in my Discord. If you guys want to join my Discord, hit me up. A couple more gentlemen meeting us up here. We're gonna have a little boys night, try to get into some shit. This motherfucker over here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck you. Oh my god. There's a crab there. That's what I was looking at. Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh, you're good. Oh, hella crabs out here.
Dude, back up. He needs the space.
Yeah, you get?
No, you
Wow,
get
that's okay. Hey, you get? Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Put your butt.
Whoa!
Yeah!
Fuck yeah!
Damashi.
Yeah. Fuck yeah!
Oh.
Fuck yeah, thick dick.
Fuck you!
Fuck yeah!
Yeah! Let's go!
Let's go! It goes there. Yo, these guys are cool, man.
Dude, they're chilling.
I want to hang out with these
I love
guys.
that shit.
We gotta hang out
I
with
love
these
that
guys.
energy, bro.
Fuck yeah.
That was great.
They're saying to follow them now, so he's like, come on. Woo!
Hey, go.
Nice. Nice. Oh, go on. Fuck yeah. These guys are chill. Yo, that's crazy. They just told us the fireworks aren't starting. They're actually postponing them until the foreigners leave. They said the foreigners need to leave, and then once the foreigners leave, they'll start the fireworks. So like, right now we're trying to hide. We're just trying to find a spot where we can hide.
They don't like us.
And then once we hide and we're out of sight, they're gonna start the fireworks, I think. So. Yo, who shat their pants?
I am not shut my pants.
Sorry, guys. I got a little silly.
It's okay. I have corona nose since 3 years ago, so I don't smell
I
it.
have an extra pair of pants.
It smells like someone literally took a stinky curry doo-doo right in their trousers.
Konbanwa.
What do you want?
I
You
want.
like that?
funny today.
Okay.
Yakisoba.
Omori?
Yakisoba.
Okay. Sounds like today. Oh.
No English.
Okay.
Okay.
日本語上手ですね。リチャードさん。We're just getting some yakisoba.
That's so good. Wow. Make it fresh for you. Wow. And I'm Sweden Jin.
Oh,
Sweden Jin. Yes.
Welcome to the bar.
ハンサムですね。
How many days you stay?
I have actually.
Oh, okay.
これ。
2週間。
Only
2
one?
週間しかいないです。
Only 2 weeks.
Yes.
ありがとう。
Michael Jackson.
Yo, she just said that this is Michael Jackson.
Where's the moonwalk?
Yeah.
Look
with you.
So did you get her number or what?
yeah.
Number?
Thinking so too.
Dude, Michael Jackson.
Dude, how many beers deep would you have to be though? Let's be honest.
That's crazy. That's a crazy.
8.5.
That's fair.
5.5.
That's respectable.
Is it because he's throwing up by 0.5?
All right. Well, apparently they're rescheduling the fireworks, so it looks like we're out of luck for tonight. But
No beef, no fireworks.
at least I got some meat to put in my mouth, so I'm satisfied for the moment.
Happy Pride, baby.
Yeah, happy Pride. So the lady over there said they're just gonna reschedule it.
어?
Come back next time. She'll give us more meat.
No, like another day, probably.
Okay.
I don't know for sure, but that's what the lady said.
Did you get their number?
Icons of it at the top of your screen of like your most recent like notification. It'll have like the YouTube logo.
You're filming the most retarded thing I'm doing.
We're currently ranking races right here. They're talking about race realism on the train.
Nah, man. I don't know, man.
Yeah, I'm just saying I have nothing to do with this. I don't endorse this. But these guys are literally ranking races right now. It's like some shit that Hitler would be on board with, but I'm against that. So.
Oh, that just looks.
This just looks.
Yeah, that's it.
Wait, can you speak some Chinese?
What's bad about it?
我不会中文，我不会说中文。
And what's bad about it?
Huh?
So we're on our way to all get jerked off right now. Dude, hey, they don't speak English over here. It's all good. It's okay. Just just follow. Oh, just follow me though.
Okay, I'm gonna take goat, and I'm gonna slap it. Yeah. And you gonna. So whenever you're ready.
Lose this.
Okay, so whenever you're ready.
Yeah,
Wait, so there's something walking by.
I see. I'm so bad at this game.
Yeah, I'm actually doing a documentary on incels right now. So tonight I decided to come to this this Japanese arc. Fuck you. Next time on Nat Geo. This is what peak male performance looks like. And there's absolutely nothing you can fucking do about it. Yeah, we just came over here to this arcade to escape all the women for a moment. They wouldn't stop following us around and asking how long our pythons are, so we had to come to this arcade and do this to get away from the women for a second, you know? We got 5 grown men here afraid to go home even though the last train is coming.
Rain scares me.
Because we're afraid of the rain.
I'm afraid of water. I got rabies.
Alright.
I don't mind it.
This is the last you hear from me. I love you, Mom. This way. Go. Oh. I'm soaked.
That was fun though.
Bro, I'm legit wetter than Julian's mom's pants right now. Hope my camera's okay. I almost bust. You see that? I almost busted my shit.
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh my god. Fuck.